Welcome to Facts for Real Videos. This video about 20 hidden details notice around you. 1. Do you know what to do if your gym gear becomes soiled after a workout? There is, however, an easy technique to get rid of them. Take 2 aspirin pills, add warm water after crushing them. Apply the mixture to the stains and let it to work. After around 2 hours, wash as usual, and it should do the trick on the same pleasant note. 2. Using newspaper. You can keep your fridge smelling fresh and clean. I don't mean by looking for the local cleaning service to assist you with your tasks to place some newspaper sheets in the bins of your fridge. They can absorb moisture, allowing the fridge to smell fresher for longer. 3. Do you know how oranges or lemons are normally packaged in a mesh bag? Don't be surprised the next time you crave citrus. So fast to throw that bag away? Simply tie them together to make a DIY loofah ideal for washing pots and cookware. It's far gentler on the dishes and your hands than a conventional metallic scrubber. 4. If you're like me, you don't like to carry a lot of stuff when you go out in the summer because you'll be melting anyway from the heat. If you need a wonderful trick to keep all your cash together, there's a binder clip. It's much smaller than a standard wallet if you don't want to carry all of your cards and IDs with you on a quick trip to the grocery. 5. Do you notice the large spherical balls placed about store entrances and parking lots while you're there? They resemble statues more than anything else. Concrete bollards were originally built from enormous tree trunks to protect people from cars. However, urban architects quickly realized that these massive items needed to be more visually appealing in order to mix in with the city scene. They are now composed of steel rebar encased in concrete and can come in a variety of colors and sizes based on the location and surrounding architecture. Manufacturers can now tailor them to any place. I've seen some that seem like cubes, others that look like pyramids, and still others that don't. They are so suited to their surroundings that they appear to be genuine works of art. However, the most prevalent are circular because it can be used anywhere. They are also used to safeguard specialized bicycle traffic or to prevent vehicles from entering or exiting venues in inappropriate location. Those you see in front of supermarkets, on the other hand, are there to stay. Shoppers keep a safe distance from the cars in the parking lots. They also help to limit the possibility of distracted drivers driving right into the building or entrances. Oops. 6. Traveling with toiletries or makeup might be particularly inconvenient. Did you know that when flying, your glasses case can also serve as a holder for some items? Many of these products can fit inside because they are little, so that the lid can still be closed. It's a clever technique to keep your luggage from being disorganized and an amazing way to keep them all together. 7. I enjoy a midnight snack as much as you do, but I was always caught because most of the doors in my house kept squeaking on me. I'm not sure what I did to help. I sprayed some cooking spray on the door hinges, and the noise went away. 8. When attempting to cut softer things such as cheese mousse or cake, if you don't have a thin knife laying around the house, use floss. Just make sure it's in flavored kind that is also non-wax. Who, after all, enjoys mint-flavored cheddar? 9. Cooking with various oils can be enjoyable and beneficial to the flavor of your dishes. However, oil stains can be difficult to remove, particularly from leather fabrics. If this occurs, you can apply diaper powder. Apply some powder to the stained leather and leave it overnight. It should soak up all of the oils in the fabric, then washes as directed by the garment. But hey, oils aren't always the bad guys in the home. For example, you can use olive oil to rejuvenate those stainless steel objects you've forgotten about in your pantry. Gently wipe over with a cotton cloth dipped in olive oil. It should assist in bringing back your spoons or forks. The gleam makes them appear brand new. 10. I had no idea bread could be used to clean your house, but here's a neat trick. You can scrub painted or wallpapered walls with a slice of bread. Just avoid using the crust. I'd omit the peanut butter if there were stains on it. It's just a joke. 11. Potted houseplants are useful in more ways than one. They can help with the indoor air quality, a room more depending on their size, even give some shade every now and again. And there's an organic fertilizer in them right now, buried in your pantry. Simply use tea bags for it. It should do amazing things for your plants. 12. I'm sure you don't like it when you get out of a hot shower and look in the mirror. Do have the steam. Believe it or not, toothpaste can assist with this. Just make sure it's non-gel bright. Wipe the mirror with toothpaste. Take it off before entering the shower. It should aid in swiftly and easily defogging your bathroom mirror. 13. Nowadays, most shirts and outfits include extra buttons, most likely hidden nearby. Don't be so hasty to tack them. However, they will not just come in handy if one of those buttons goes missing. However, they can also serve as earring holders. If you intend to travel with these delicate pieces of jewelry, they'll be all together and safe from other objects in your luggage. 14. Homemade pizza dough is far superior to store-bought pizza dough. However, if you don't have a rolling pin in your kitchen, you don't need to be concerned. You can still enjoy a delicious pizza right now. Simply grab any medium-sized glass bottle. Just make sure you wipe it clean before touching the dough. But believe me, it works just as well as a regular rolling pin. 15. Ice cream scoopers come in a variety of hues, but it's not just for their appearance. They are manufactured in this manner to represent the size of each scoop. You can also calculate the number of scoops by their hue. It will need 32 ounces to fill. Let's think about 32 ounces of ice cream for a bit. Okay, I'm done. 16. Exit signs on highways are far more useful than you believe. They simply signal. They can also assist you in identifying the next exit, whether you need to escape to the left or right. Just look at the placement of the numbered exit sign on the motorway. For example, if the number is on the left side, you will depart on the left. 17. Have you ever considered what's inside your shaving cream can? Apart from the shaving cream itself, of course. The steer is not placed immediately inside the metal bottle. It is first placed in a metallic bag, then folded up and placed in the can. 18. Depending on your preferences, these objects are occasionally employed for stress reduction or for fashion. 19. However, did you know what slap-on bracelets are made of? I was as astonished as you were to discover. They are created from. To make this accessory, an old measuring tape is coated with a coating agent. Because they are flexible, they help them attach to your wrist. 20. You're probably carrying a lunch in your wallet and don't even realize it. They might not be literal food. However, quarters in the United States are tiered. The outside is comprised of nickel and copper, which gives them their trademark silver color. The inside is entirely constructed of copper. It is brown. A great way to use those quarters is to buy 32 ounces of ice cream with a bunch of them. What are your thoughts on chocolate? If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.